Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you about 4 jobs that pay over $100,000 per year that don't require a degree. With these 4 jobs, you can earn a 6-figure income, over 100 grand a year, and you don't need a degree, no degree required. Let's get right to it. Number 1 on the list, job number 1 is becoming a real estate agent. Now, there are a few different licensing procedures that are part of the process for becoming a real estate agent, but you definitely don't need a university degree or a college diploma. Degree or diploma from college, not required. Now, a real estate agent earns a commission by helping you sell your house or buy a house. And when you do the math, even with a small percentage, okay, a house is one of the biggest investments that you'll ever make in your life. So even with a small percentage, you can earn a good amount of commission through a single sale, okay? Where I live, real estate agents generally charge a 2.5% commission for a sale of a house or helping someone buy a house. And if you sell $1 million house, 2.5% of $1 million is $25,000. Now, granted, there are expenses and there are fees that are associated with doing that sale, but even if you walk away with $15,000, you don't need a lot of sales to make your way to 100 grand a year. You don't even need to sell a house a month. And a good real estate agent that's hustling their way to the sales will easily be able to sell 1 house a month, even in a pretty poor housing market. So a real estate agent is one of the jobs that does not require a degree and will allow you to earn $100,000 per year. I don't want to say easily, but quickly. Within your 2nd or 3rd year as a real estate agent, you can easily get yourself to a 6-figure income. And it's absolutely limitless. You can make $1 million a year as a real estate agent. The 2nd job in this video is my personal favorite. It's becoming an internet entrepreneur. Now, the cool thing about being an internet entrepreneur is that your business is on your phone, on your laptop, on your household computer, okay? On your tablet. You can literally run a business in your pajamas while watching TV. Now, there are many ways to earn money on the internet. You can sell digital products. You can sell physical products. You can become an affiliate for a company and refer people to that company and take a percentage of commission or a cut from the product sale, just like a real estate agent does, okay? You can start a YouTube channel and monetize it. You can start a podcast and monetize it. You can start a blog, a website, monetize them. You can freelance, okay? You can develop high-end websites for high-end clients. There are literally hundreds, if not thousands of ways. And the cool thing about it is that with internet stuff, with internet assets, you start off slow. It might start off slow, but then when it picks up, it becomes really easy to get into that $100,000 a year range and even potentially $1 million a year range. Someone can easily earn $100,000 a year on nights and weekends as an internet entrepreneur while working full-time at another job. Okay, let that sink in for a second. You can literally earn 100 grand, 6 figures a year on nights and weekends in addition to your full-time income as an internet entrepreneur. It'll start off slow, but once you build it, you can easily get to that 6-figure mark and that 6-figure range. Number 3 on the list. Let's move on. Number 3 on the list is becoming a construction foreman. Now, construction foreman is essentially a construction manager of a specific job site or a specific crew within the construction industry. Generally speaking, it takes at least a handful of years of experience and hard work ethic to make your way from a construction worker to a construction foreman to managing the rest of the construction workers. But construction foremans will earn over $100,000 a year, and they don't need a university degree or a college diploma. They don't even need a high school diploma. No degree or diploma required, okay? You got to get in there, start off, learn the craft, learn the trade, and work your way up. Show that you're worth it, and then you offer value to the company, and work your way up to becoming a foreman. You get to manage the other employees within that crew or within that construction job site, and you make over $100,000 a year. Now, with that increase in wage and salary comes an increase in responsibility. But if you like responsibility and if you're up for the challenge, being a construction foreman is one of the best ways to earn $100,000 a year in the construction industry without having a degree or a diploma. Okay? Number 4 on the list, and last for this video, is becoming an electrician. An electrician deals with electrical wires, connects them, runs the wires, and so forth, okay? Hooks up the main panel, gets the main electricity line into the house and the commercial building, and that sort of stuff. On a side note, I was actually an electrical apprentice for a few months. That's a side note, but I decided to go into teaching. I ended up switching professions and I went into teaching instead, and I love teaching. I loved electrical too, but I love teaching. So an electrician will earn between $80,000 and $90,000 a year working full-time for an electrical company or for the electrical union. But the key is that with only a handful of jobs on the side on nights and weekends, they can bring that income to over $100,000 a year, because it's not unusual for an electrician to go to a house to do a small job that only takes like an hour and a half to 2 hours and to charge $300 for that. So you do the math. To bring that income from $80,000 to $90,000 to over $100,000 a year, it's not that difficult when you're making $300 for a 2-hour job. Okay? And you can charge even more for 8 or 9 hour jobs and things like running wires in a new home and so forth. Now, to become an electrician, it's not that it's difficult, but it does take time, okay? You have to be an apprentice for a number of years before you become licensed, and then you have to be licensed to sort of gain more experience as a licensed electrician before you work your way into side jobs. Because when you do a side job as an electrician, you pretty much have to know everything that there is to know, because you're doing the job and you don't have a boss there, you don't have a supervisor there, so you have to know what you're doing with regards to safety and doing everything properly. But being an electrician is one of the best ways to get into a trade and earn over $100,000 a year with only a full-time job and a little bit of some side jobs on the side on nights and weekends. And that's basically it. In this video, I've told you about 4 jobs that will allow you to earn over $100,000 per year without a degree. I've gone over each of the jobs, sort of told you what's required, and told you how easy it is to earn over $100,000 a year with any of these 4 jobs. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.